So, what do you want to do? I don't want to tell you this has to be a fight just because we've rolled initiative.
I know.
Right? You guys can still try other stuff.
I wasn't planning on doing that. Regardless, I'm going to get my gun and I'm going to aim it directly at Brett.
Okay.
And I'm going to say to him, if you stand down now, we can tell you where your son is. You can give him the burial he deserves. Otherwise, like father, like son.
Okay. Man, Quill is not messing around today. We've got Angry Bird.
It's so fun. Well, that's the title of the episode. And then, open the door.
Okay, can you walk through?
Open the door.
Open the door, you see Quill.
Oh.
I think now's not the time for secrets anymore, Nova.
Roll initiative!
But also, I say, you have to understand my perception on this. And my hand is like crackling with like the lightning thing.
Oh, really? Really?
Maybe.
What do you know, Quill?
When I asked the question, what's your involvement? I used the eye. You have to understand why I couldn't trust you then.
Do you trust me now? Quill.
It's a long pause.
I gave my life to save you. I would have died without question if that's what it took.
Is it the storm, Quill? Like lightning? Is lightning your biggest enemy? Because I feel like I don't really think anyone else should be hit by lightning today, but you know, it's not the best for you. Just
What if it's lightning? Then what do I say to lightning? I'm terrified. You destroyed me. You took everything away from me. Like, what do I tell lightning? Hesper found me because of you. My life was torn to pieces because of you. And now I walk this world because of Hesper's teachings when I didn't deserve it. I should have been dead. Is that what I tell lightning? Is lightning my biggest enemy?
Well, it's
Is
just
it Hesper?
Big chamber. She kind of examines. She taps the glass or presses a kind of long-nailed finger against it. Well, well. You hear her voice kind of echoing through it. It seems that we have caught quite the little prize. I had to sacrifice one of my little pawns to do it, but I think that eye of yours will prove most interesting.
Ah. Well, it wouldn't be of any use to you. Hesper will never join your side.
Oh, I'm certain that there's more to the Titan's magic that I can unravel than you may guess. But we'll see, won't we, my little friend? She takes her finger off and it goes silent.
You couldn't even get your Handrius. Don't think you can get a Titan.
She turns to some of the other scholars and starts talking to them. After a minute, one of those guards comes back and slams a button on the side of the cell, and you feel this intense, like, lightning and force power reverberate through you. You take 35 points of force damage. And he basically says through the thing, "Don't try that again. We know when you're spellcasting. Do it again, I'll crank the power up."
I'm trying to keep myself healthy. It's Akira.
We don't need you healthy. We just need you alive.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to stay alive. Ow. Thank you, though.
Don't let me catch you spellcasting again. And then he leaves.
Bastard. I want to say to him, we humiliated you in your own domain, Gratz. We'll have no trouble destroying you here.
Really? Oh, you are a dead bird.
His golden eyes like flick up, and he's just like, "You're going to regret saying that, my little birdie."
I fucking know, bit.
Century.
she's going to move in between Gratz and Quill.
Smart.